In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import and replace a transcript in Descript. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, if you don't have a copy of Descript, kindly use the link in the description below to follow along. I'm doing this tutorial because it's an update to a tutorial I did a couple of years ago and things have changed. Let's begin by opening up a new video project. And my assumption is you accidentally add a file. Let's say we add this particular file. But I do have the transcript to this particular file with me. So when you add a file in Descript, depending on what you've set, let's say you've not set it to always ask before transcribing, then let's click on transcribe. If you don't want to do that, then you would have set it not to do that. But on occasions, you may not have that option available for you. So especially if you've not checked it to be on. Now, Descript is going to automatically transcribe your video or audio file. But let's assume you have a transcript for this particular video or audio file that you just added into your Descript project. So as you can see, the transcription is ongoing and it's already done. And once it's done, it's going to populate right here for you to peruse. So you can see the transcript and now the progress shows that everything is okay. But let's assume you do have the transcript for this. So all you need to do is just go to the project, and then from the project you'll see three drop downs here. There's three dots here, and then click on replace transcript. And once you do that, you'll get this dialog box where you need to copy and paste the transcript with the audio so that they can sync it. So I'll just go to this particular transcript, Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste it in. Now, one thing I've noticed is that if you scroll down, I'm using the down arrow key to the end, you'll get to the end of your transcript, but you will not see the cancel or the sync option. If you press tab on your keyboard, you'll now be able to see the cancel and the sync. I'm not sure if this is a bug or something, but my assumption is I should be able to see this on normal location. So I'll just click on sync. And once I do that, it's going to import the transcript and start syncing. So you can see the transcript we have here. Now I'm going to import my own transcript and sync it inside Descript right now. It just takes a couple of seconds, and this normally works best if you have sourced out the transcription process. Professional transcribers have done this for you, and now you can see once it's done, you'll get your transcript the way it is. So it's all completed, and that is how you can import and replace a transcript in Descript. Super simple, super easy. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.